In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo a quiz on Google Classroom. Whether you're a teacher looking to refine your questions for clarity, or tweaking options for better assessment, or perhaps a student given permission to make corrections, this tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish. Remember, always ensure you have the necessary permissions to edit any classroom material on Google Classroom. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to google.com. Once there, spot the Sign In button located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button will direct you to the next step, which is to choose your Google account. This should be the account associated with the Google Classroom you'll be working on, so make sure you select the right one. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type it in. Be sure your password entry is accurate to avoid any unnecessary delays. Following the password prompt, click on the Next button to proceed. Now you are signed into your Google account. Look for the Google Apps menu, which is usually indicated by a grid of small squares, again situated at the top right of your screen. Clicking here will unveil a variety of Google services. From this array of icons, locate and click on the Google Classroom icon. This will take you directly to the main interface of Google Classroom, where your classes are displayed. In Google Classroom, to find the specific class where the quiz is posted, simply go to Your Classroom. If you're managing multiple classes, make sure to navigate to the correct one to find the quiz you intend to redo. Once in the correct classroom, your next move is to click on Classwork, which is typically atop the classroom stream. This section organizes all assignments, quizzes, and materials, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Within the Classwork section, browse through until you locate your quiz. If your classroom is bustling with activities and materials, this might take a moment. Don't rush, ensure you're editing the correct quiz. Upon finding your quiz, you will see an option symbolized by 3 dots, often referred to as the More button. Clicking this will open a menu with several options, among which you need to find and click Edit. This allows you to revise the content of your quiz. Now you're at the heart of the process. Here, you can start to redo your questions and options. Take your time to carefully revise each question and the corresponding options to ensure they're clear and accurate. This step is crucial in ensuring the quality and fairness of the quiz. After making the necessary changes and ensuring everything is correctly updated, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the page, and click it. Your quiz is now updated with the revisions you've made. Before wrapping up, here are a few additional tips. If you're a teacher, communicate any quiz revisions to your students to keep them informed. For students, if given the opportunity to redo quiz elements, clarify any changes with your instructor to ensure your revisions meet the expected criteria. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to redo a quiz on Google Classroom. This skill not only allows for the refinement and improvement of quiz questions, but also ensures that assessments accurately reflect the learning objectives intended. Remember, education is a dynamic process, and tools like Google Classroom are here to support that journey, making continuous improvement possible. Whether fine-tuning assessment questions or amending study materials, embracing these digital tools enhances the learning and teaching experience for everyone involved. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.